Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be doing lots of cleaning throughout the whole house. Like I said in my previous video, me and my husband just got over having the flu, and so I just really felt like I needed to do some deep cleaning in this house to get the sickness and the germs out. So the very first thing that I did is go in the living room and I took all of the pillow covers off the pillows to go and put them in the laundry room so that I could wash them in the washer. Basically we probably spent 90% of the time that we were sick here on these couches, so I felt like this was where all the germs were. And if you could have saw this room a few days ago when we were really sick and we couldn't hardly move around, this room was a disaster. Like every surface that you could put a cup on, we had cups and plates and tissues and medicine. And on this day that I was cleaning here, I still wasn't quite feeling 100%. I did not have a whole lot of energy on this day, so I was just taking it slow. And this is actually going to be 2 different days of cleaning. So I did some cleaning on this day, and then I will be doing some cleaning the next day as well. So that's why you will see an outfit change in the middle of this video. So the first thing that I did, like I said, took the pillow covers off of the pillows, and then I just went through the living room areas and I just straightened up everything before I went in, and I cleaned the surfaces and the couches and stuff. Once I had the living room picked up, I got started on cleaning up the kitchen. There was a lot of dishes that needed to be put in the dishwasher and washed. Over the time that we were sick, it seemed like a lot of dishes stacked up here in the kitchen because obviously we didn't feel like washing dishes or putting them into the dishwasher when we barely felt like moving around. So there was a lot of dishes to catch up on in here, and I just really wanted to have this kitchen clean. It really was bugging me. It was just had seemed like it had been a mess for just several days in a row, so I really wanted to get this clean. I'm using the Method dish soap in the lemon scent, and I love that it comes in these squeezable pouches, and this soap is from the Grove Collaborative website, and you can still get a bunch of free stuff there with your first order. I'll show it here up on the screen. All of the free stuff that you can get, everything that you see here in this video clip, you will get free with your first order of $20 or more with my link down below. So as you saw, I had quite the growing pile of laundry there on my laundry room floor, and half of that was our blankets that we had snuggled in while we were sick. I definitely wanted to get those washed. We basically lived in like throw blankets wrapped around our shoulders because we had the fever. We were cold all the time. So now, as you can see, it is the next day because I'm in a different outfit and I was feeling a bit better today. And so I got out all of my cleaning supplies and it was time to clean more in this living room. So all I had to use was a multi-surface cleaner because I didn't have any disinfecting products. Let me know down below your favorite natural disinfecting products so that I can keep them on hand. Hopefully I'll never need them again. But anyway, I just cleaned some spots off of the couches and then I just sort of did a mist of the multi-surface cleaner all over the couch and then I just wiped it all down with the rag, and then I am cleaning it with my portable vacuum here. I always get questions about this, so I will link it down below. It is from Amazon and it is the best portable vacuum that I've ever had. Then I wiped down the recliner with that multi-surface cleaner as well, and then I went on to wipe off the next couch. Once I had the couches clean, then I took that cleaner and I wiped down the coffee table and all of the side tables around the couches. Those are the spots where we kept all of our cups and plates, and I had tissues stacked up on the side tables and stuff and our medicine, and so there was probably a lot of germs on there, so I made sure to wipe down all of those surfaces. So the next area that I wanted to deep clean was our bedroom because it just wasn't feeling cozy. It was just like you could feel the sickness in the air in here. That's weird, but that's just what it felt like. So I just wanted to give this room a deep cleaning, clean all of the surfaces and everything and the floor and just get it feeling cozy in here again. And so the first thing that I obviously would have done is to wash the sheets, because after we've been sick, that's always the first thing that I do is to wash the sheets. But I had already washed them the day before because, like I I said, that's the first thing that I always do after we've been sick. Once I was done with all of the cleaning in this room, I got some peppermint oil diffusing here in my oil diffuser, and then I got my robotic vacuum started on cleaning the floor. And after all of that cleaning and the smell of the peppermint oil in the air, the room felt a lot cozier. The germs felt like they were all gone. And so then I got those clothes put into the dryer, got some more clothes started in the washer, and then after that I went into the living room and got the carpet all vacuumed. So that is going to be it for today's cleaning video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and that it gave you lots of cleaning motivation and inspiration. And also thank you to each of you who said that you were praying for us while we were sick. We really appreciated it, and we are feeling so much better now. We're starting to feel back to normal, so we're so grateful for that. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. Just click that red subscribe button and the bell beside of it to turn on your post notifications. Also make sure that you head over and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram name is Hannah's Happy Home, and I will see you guys in a few days with a new video. Bye!